Hi there, my name is Maria Cristina Okay. You can call me Tina. I am a registered nurse here in the Philippines, and I have been a medical visual assistant since 2017. Yes, I am in a mission of helping providers to have more time to their patient, time for their family, and time for themselves. I want you to have more time in sleeping. I want you to have more time to your family rather than documentations and other admin tasks so that you are also able to have this practice growth. For 2017, the feedback that I have received from those providers that I have helped with is you are the best and you are a godsend. And I want you to be that person, your helping hand, your helping assistant, that you will be able to always thank God that you have me in your practice. I am given to that, given the value. I also have this attitude as number two reason. I have this attitude of whatever it takes to help you, whatever it takes to deliver. And I have this attitude of prayerful. I will always have to pray for you. Third is competency. So beyond the value and attitude, I also have the competency in scribing. I've been into I can say that I'm an expert in different EHR such as Practice Fusion, GeriMed, ClickCare, Point Click Care, IntakeQ, Sigma Care, and many more. I'm also good in billing such as CPT code, ICD code, name it, I can say to you the code. And also other admin tasks, medication refill, calling patients, calling pharmacies, and summarizing the labs, and many more that you want to delegate it to me. I will happily accept it and deliver it to you in excellence. So thank you and have a great and blessed day ahead. Bye!